गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज से हम एक नया सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉल्ड फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट। ये सब्जेक्ट आपके एनुअल एग्ज़ाम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये आपके अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो आज का लेक्चर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टर्म कॉल्ड फाइनेंस फर्स्ट। तो देखिए, अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में फाइनेंस की बात करें तो फाइनेंस मतलब मनी, फाइनेंस मतलब पैसा। तो विदाउट मनी, विदाउट फाइनेंस हम किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इस्टेब्लिश नहीं कर सकते, डेवलप नहीं कर सकते, उसको अच्छे से चला नहीं सकते। तो फाइनेंस इज़ लाइक अ लाइफ ब्लड ऑफ अ बिजनेस, इट इज़ लाइक अ लाइफ लाइन ऑफ एनी बिजनेस. Finance is required for establishing, developing and operating the business efficiently. Without proper financing, even the best project remains a futile exercise, and if the project is put into execution, later on many problems cope up in its execution and control. Actually, sometimes it is not the inadequate finance that is the cause of failure of business, but the mismanagement of resources that is ultimately responsible for it. The survival and growth of a firm is possible only if it utilizes its funds in an optimal manner. So it is correct to say that without adequate finance, no business can survive, and without efficient financial management, no business can prosper and grow. Therefore, the success of business depends on proper supply of finance and its efficient management. Finance basically means money or act of providing the means of payment. It may deals with the ways in which businessmen, investors, government, financial institutions, and individuals handle their money. Thus, finance is the study of money management. It not only includes the art of making money available, but it also includes its administration and control, so that the finance may be utilized in a proper way. Every business activity requires financial support. Hence, finance is related to different specialized area. In in each area, the financial manager is dealing with management of money and claims against money. The organizations working in these areas have different objectives, so their problems are not common. These area of financial activity in different type of firm may be divided into uh, four groups, which are public finance, business finance, and institutional. Third is institutional, and fourth is international finance. फर्स्ट इज़ पब्लिक फाइनेंस. पब्लिक फाइनेंस से हम क्या समझते हैं? इधर पब्लिक का मतलब है स्टेट फाइनेंस से. स्टेट मतलब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, लोकल बॉडीज. सो बेसिकली पब्लिक फाइनेंस मीन्स स्टेट फाइनेंस, वेर इन वी स्टडी हाउ वेरियस पब्लिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डील्स विथ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ देयर फाइनेंस. The word public includes central government, state government, and local bodies. How this organization collects their revenue and how they spend it on public interest is studied under public finance. In brief, public finance deals with transactions relating to public revenue, expenditure, and debts. Next comes business finance. Business finance Business finance is study of financial management of an enterprise being run with the motive of earning profit. ऐसा एंटरप्राइज जो प्रॉफिट अर्न करने के पर्पज से चल रहा है, उसके फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट की स्टडी ही बिजनेस फाइनेंस है. इट डील्स विद प्रोक्यूरमेंट एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ फंड्स नीडेड फॉर बिजनेस एक्टिविटी. Business finance includes financial management related to sole trade, partnership, and companies. When finance is managed for corporation, it is called corporation finance. Third is institutional finance. Institutional finance, in an economic setup of a country, there are many financial institutions such as bank, insurance companies, financial corporation, unit trust, etc. These institutions collect savings from individual savers and accumulate sufficient amount for profitable investment in business organization. As such, institutional finance is related to capital formation and meets the financial requirement of the economy. Fourth is international finance. International finance in international finance, we study the flow of funds between individual and organization across national borders and development of methods of handling the flow more effectively in subject matters of international finance. So these were the four financial activity in different type of firms. So in coming lecture, we will discuss more about financial management in detail. Thank you.